Let's learn about the letters.
This is the letter A. A makes the A sound. A. Let's do it together. A, A, A.
Apple. Ant. Axe.
This is the letter B. It makes the B sound. B. Let's do it together. B, B, B.
Ball. Bed. Book. Bus. Look at the picture and choose big A or big B. Does ant begin with A or B? The answer is this. Does ball begin with A or B? Does bed begin with A or B? Does axe begin with A or B? Look at the picture and choose small a or small b. Does bus begin with A or B? The answer is this. Does book begin with A or B? Does apple begin with A or B?